Gusto mo bang mag-print ng design with a smooth, matte look and finish? Karaniwang makikita ito sa mga brand shirts tulad ng Adidas, Nike at iba pa dahil sa trendy nitong matte texture. At syempre, hindi rin papahuli dyan yung mga clothing brands na gumagamit ng ganitong klase ng print sa shirt. Then, look no further as we introduce the Tulco Smooth Matting Top Coat. Gamit ang top coat na ito, abot kamay mo nang ma-achieve ang matte look and smooth feel. You just need to mix these two together and it's ready to use.
1 kilogram of smooth matting top coat comes with 10 grams of fixer. Once mixed, it must be used within 8 hours.
Paano nga ba ito gamitin sa inyong prints? Step 1. Matapos mag-print ng inyong design, i-blow dry ito until it's dry to touch. Step 2. Pag tuyo na ito, i-print ang first coat ng smooth matting top coat at i-blower until dry. Step 3. Pag natuyo na ang first coat, i-print ang second layer. Step 4. Muling i-blower hanggang sa matuyo. Importanteng i-cure pa rin ito upang masettle ang ink sa fabric. So see? Parang nag-add ka lang ng 2 more coatings sa inyong prints. But it will make your print pull off that trendy aesthetic matte look, all the while making your print look more sleek and more durable. Compatible ito with Tulco Wet Look, Super White RC, RKC, SRC, Ecomighty, and more. At kung may katanungan kayo tungkol sa compatibility nito, maaari nyo kaming i-reach out. Ano pang hinihintay mong mga kahagod? Subukan na ang aming Tulco Smooth Matting Top Coat and let us hear your thought about this top coat. Hanggang sa muli, happy printing!